If you sell P&C insurance and you work more than 5 hours a day, then I hate to break it to you, but the way you're running your agency is completely backwards. Give me 30 seconds and I'll show you how to flip that around permanently and create a monthly flow of 50 to 60 high quality inbound leads that you can expect to close at least 50% if you're captive, and up to as high as 90% if you're independent. Hey, I'm Luis Aleman and I'm an independent agency owner from Jacksonville, Florida. In the last 2 years, I've sold almost 2,000 new P&C policies for a grand total of $2.46 million worth of new business premium. Plus, to date, I've helped hundreds of insurance agents from all over the country 2 to 3 times their production, becoming one of the top agencies in their area. And most importantly, break them free from this typical 6-day-a-week insurance agent grind, to the point where many of them are now only working 2 to 3 days a week, myself included. And in fact, I did $2.4 million in premiums while working 1 day a week. And before you ask, I'm not paying out all my agency commissions to hire producers and customer service reps either. It's just that by leveraging new smart form AI technology that's just a hit on the market, you can put your lead flow almost entirely on autopilot, scale your agency, and start working less, all at the same time. Which brings me to what is actually the biggest mistake most insurance agencies are making right now. Because think of how much of your time gets wasted hunting down new leads. Between making cold calls and getting hung up on, hitting up BNI and Chamber of Commerce events, schmoozing up the next local mortgage pros with donuts, coffee, and $50 Amazon gift cards. The point is, while these tactics worked great 20 to 30 years ago and were worth the time back then, they weren't designed for the modern day insurance agent. That's why even if you have the work ethic and you're putting in 10-hour days, you're not seeing the results to match, which is frustrating. And I know that because that's where I was just a few years ago too. But there's a better, faster way to scale your business, and all you need to do is follow what I call the 3-step P&C accelerator plan. Step 1 is use this new smart form AI technology I mentioned to start generating your own high quality leads. This is very cost effective too. For example, I know one captive agent, Travis, who's only pumps around $300 a month into this system, and in return he's getting between $35,000 and $45,000 worth of new P&C premium out of it. Then step 2 is to leverage a few simple tools to automate your follow-ups and everything else you normally have to do manually to get the lead to the point of buying a new insurance policy from you. And finally, step 3 is to now take the system we've already built in steps 1 and 2, then scale it to the point when you're doing 15 to 20, potentially even 30 or more new P&C deals a week, without needing to go through thousands of low quality leads, without needing to build out an entire team of a dozen or so producers, and without ever again needing to sacrifice family or personal time just to keep your agency afloat. If you'd like to see the full 3-step P&C accelerator plan in details, then click on the link below, and on the next page I'm going to be breaking down everything, including how to get your hands on this new smart form tech, how to automate as much as 85% of your agency, and how to get started doing this yourself to potentially even 2 to 3 times your production inside the next 90 days. Just click on the link or button below, and I look forward to seeing you over there.